Oh, that's very interesting.
So that would be
Whose hat? Show his hat.
your lens is all gone.
Yep. So this was just all remodeled this year. This isn't going anywhere. So I think it stays on here, and this thing is going to live here forever.
We appreciate you.
Stainless steel, dude. This
This is awesome.
So I
That
think
it's
we put it
Coliseum.
right there. I just wiped that off.
I'm done with that.
And everywhere you come, you see it's still there. It's fucking sick, though. That's really nice.
Yeah, we put them in all our rigs and Fendi today.
Totally remember the guy, though. I absolutely do.
He loved to party.
Here we go.
For Tim.
For Tim.
For Tim.
The commissioner.
Yes.
Drunk bocce ball. Let's go.
Drunk bocce.
2024.
Oh, shit.
All right.
It looks simple.
The captain threw the first one.
All right.
It's about a 30, 25-yard roll. Gravy train.
And away it goes.
Really?
And
Stop
you came.
showing off, Nick.
You've been practicing.
You've been practicing in your backyard.
Do you like to come on?
Just saying.
You tooed?
Just saying.
Oh!
That's a close one.
Show off.
What?
Close.
Jess said you've been practicing like 8 hours a day.
That's what we do after we put the kids to bed. We go play bocce ball outside.
That's definitely what you guys do.
I gotta get a picture. Jim is so serious, man.
At least they put the brakes on it.
Yeah, you think they just take
That was not good.
You're out playing bocce ball. Yep, that's it.
I was trying to ride your line.
The pool,
But
I
I went
know,
wide
like comes up. Oh my god!
It's closest.
Oh, God, you'd have failed, dude. Fail that sobriety test.
I got something hanging on my shoulder.
What do you got? What do you got?
10.
Yeah, your
9!
feet
Yeah,
are
but
different
your
than
feet are
hers.
smaller.
I think he's dead.
3 steps.
That's on.
You won't want to be
Now it's
throwing
on.
with that on your arm.
Hi. Got some beer.
You from here?
I live here.
Do you have a Jeep?
Yeah, I drive a Jeep. I drive a Jeep.
You have a Jeep? Hey, do you have a Jeep?
No, I have a YJ. Show us your square head. Thanks, Tom.
20 grand. 20 grand.
Oh my
in 2
God, dude.
years.
I'm gonna save it, dude.
Yeah.
You're gonna be famous.
We're
Just-
gonna,
just
we're
act-
gonna be famous.
Just don't forget me, please.
Time.
Nick, do that little.
weight on the throwing shoulder. Notice the feet? Yeah.
You saw me throw with it on my right arm.
I don't know.
Now you're still carrying.
That was not bad. Not bad.
No, everybody done?
No. We got the Rennie.
Oh. That's why he's giving up camera.
What are you calling? There it is. Oh, good roll, good roll. Oh. See what we got.
I think.
So who lost?
Blue.
Yeah.
Here's the passing of the baton.
Yep. Here we go.
So winner to loser.
For the first time ever.
How does that feel to be the loser of 2024 drunk bocce ball?
It's a heavy load, but I'm up for it. I'm in
hole
it for
number
the long
4.
haul. Yep. Progress will be slow.
All right. And do you want to see the winner of that hole?
I do.
That would be me. Let's go.
We're gonna let Nick work out the footage later.
Get hours and hours and hours.
Hours.
Tim.
Woo, that was a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's a tough one.
You didn't
Did not drink again.
You did not drink. Show it off, dude.
But it was a good throw. It was a good throw.
Whoa, what's going on there?
I don't know.
Depends what handicap you have.
I have all the handicaps.
Are you a Bronco? Are you a Toyota?
YJ. I have a Honda.
Toyota, I might as well just put my.
Okay.
I'm taking the Honda line.
Come on, wire nuts.
Pretty tight. You guys are good.
Well, yeah, backfire. You got a back.
Wait, wrong line.
Fire nuts.
The line's
What the
back.
hell's going on?
You're up the Honda. Don't go for the
Tom, what was that?
YJ line. That's the YJ line. What the heck?
The Jeep.
Hey.
Wait. Why are you trying to throw from the Bronco line?
Bronco line.
You gotta back up some more.
That's a Toyota line.
Hey,
You
gotta
sure
back
you
up
have a
more.
girlfriend?
Alright, there we go.
Woo!
Everybody just dropped the bag to green.
Dude, Tom nailed it.
He did. He did.
But look at
But Team
Green,
other than our loser.
we did lose.
Dude, this isn't a team.
Tom.
This isn't a team sport. Tom's balls were defeated.
Mine was defeated.
Or not defeated, invincible.
I wanted it.
And wanted it.
You could go back that way towards our camp.
Or towards Bear
It's
Scout.
5:45.
I've got to take a leak.
So we're getting close to dinner.
It's 5:45. We
Dinner's
might
at
want to
6.
work our way back to camp.
We can do whatever you want, though.
Says the one that's holding all the bags.
Yeah.
We might want to finish the game early. My arms are getting sore.
Can we finish early? Let's start working on
Hey, you gotta be.
I don't know. I don't know why they gave me the camera, but terrible idea. I fell in the river one time. And I get drove back one time. So I don't know. We'll see how this goes.
It's dinner time, boys. Let's go. Walking from Dirty Dozen, heading to dinner Saturday night.
Yep.
Hey, what are we looking at, man? I'm very curious.
This is fantastic.
I don't know if this camera's on either. So, what is it?
50-50 shot.
Well, there's a lot of stuff in there.
I know. It looks like a
It
big
must be
motor.
392.
Oh, I heard there was a couple, man and wife, that were both had 392
Up
Pick
here?
Jeeps. Yeah,
That's
they came in. They came in.
on 40.
Not the 4-day, the 3-day.
There's a lot of 392s out here this year.
Oh, there's a camera right here.
Where?
Hey, man. I don't fucking know. I don't know why they gave me this thing either. So, see you guys at dinner. Yeah. Oh. I'm not getting those chairs.
I have shoes on.
Guess we're gonna get the chairs. Ooh! Ooh! See that? Oh, here's one more.
Photographer Tom.
I got these chairs. I got these freaking chairs. They're over here.
As long as you get it back, it'll be the best.
Chairs, they're over here.
That was one of your worst decisions.
As long as you get it back, it'll be the best.
Hey, I don't know whose chairs these are, but
Yours.
I just got them out of the river. without getting my shoes dirty. So,
Dude, flick your hair around for me. Oh yeah. Woo!
You have a walking stick?
Carry stick.
How old are you?
It's a carry stick. Let's go.
Dude, walking stick?
Come on, old man. It's
Are
a carry
you retired?
Whoa!
Oh.
Hey!
I got it. So close.
Whoa!
Come on.
Almost got that in double angles.
I need someone to fall.
Oh, look at Tom. Look, careful, Tom. Careful.
UPS strong.
When I put the cigar in my mouth, I
Dude,
can do
The
whatever.
freaking GoPro and the Coors Light and the woo woo. Don't disappoint.
We got good footage for you. I'm just saying.
You can do it. Crossing Dirty Dozen.
I'm just glad I don't gotta
Up the slab, by the rock. Grab the rope. What?
and up.
Wow, impressed.
We got good footage for you. I'm just saying. I'm just glad I don't gotta edit all this shit.
I just told Jim on YouTube. He's like, "Oh, you're walking up the rock with 2 drinks and a cigar?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm a Craigslist crawler."
Oh, they didn't tell us. So weekend at Bernie's?
I'm more like, yeah,
I'm liking
Weekend
it.
at Ruby's.
Weekend at Ruby's.
Weekend at Ruby's.
All right. Look at all these rigs.
Dead guy walking.
So nice. I think we getting some corn on the cob tonight. Look at that. Woo! Jamboree 2024 fire dancers, maybe, I don't know. Or we missed the email on we were supposed to dress like a circus act.
Get off of there.
Why don't they send out a big group email? Lines are long.
How we doing, Jeepers? How we feeling? There you go.
Suck on it.
That's what he said.
Cigar Whoa!
No beard, no right now.
We've been in line for 1 hour and we've moved 10 feet. All right.
No, man. No, you're on weekend, man. Yeah. I'm glad you showed up with the beard.
Too much
Right there, right there. Come on. Do it.
All right, Jim said do it.
Do it right there. Show it to Tom.
She wants to. Spank me, baby.
What?
Hard, dude. Spank me harder, man. Fuck it. Hit it. Hit it. Now my wife's gonna be like, "How do you have a red mark on your ass?"
Was that as good for you? Was it good for me?
It was not that enjoyable, actually.
Still filming?
I don't know.
Definitely still filming. What's your plan tonight, Tom?
I hope that I can walk back to camp.
That's your goal?
Cheers to walking to camp.
Yeah.
Cheers to getting in your tent all by yourself.
I don't know
There
if
is
that'll
like
be
crazy stories about that. So
Yeah.
one night I fell in the river, and then another time I fell asleep on a rock over there, and then they made these guys come get me.
Yeah, we
In
call
their
it
Jeep.
drunk Uber.
Yeah.
Twice. They've
Druber.
done
It's
drunk-
called Druber.
Yeah.
Druber.
So that was
Druber.
another time.
Yeah.
Other than that, I've been pretty good. Yeah.
I think one time we woke up and it was like Sunday morning and Tom had his glasses were broken, one lens out.
Where is
Oh, yeah.
that? Located. It's in.
Look at that mustache. Dude, that mustache is epic, bro.
Cheers.
Take it to the hot washers.
Thank you. that train coming, rolling round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. Well, I'm stuck in Folsom Prison. Time keeps ticking.
I've done this before.
You are a professional. How many drinks do you have? 1, 2. Wait, no, there's more. 3, 4.
I can't tell you what's in the orange cups. It's G14 classified.
Welcome to Jeepers Jamboree 2024. Still in line. Now
It's 8 o'clock.
we got in line at 7. An hour later, we're almost to the barbecue.
It's the wrong way, bro.
I'm glad you are.
Hey, hey.
Kid.
Get in there.
All right, now you two, you can get in there now.
Oh, okay, all right.
Now you can get in there. Now you can get in there.
Oh, you can
Now
get
you can get in there. Everyone get in there.
Craigslist crawlers.
You're gonna play for steaks, you have to show me your titties.
Where you going, Ron? Why are you running off? You show your coin and you run away.
Hold on. Does that count? No. I can stop you right there. I know people. You have power. I have a lot of power. Like Wonder Woman, I can go. Click, click. Let's see him.
Vegan, so it's got.
Okay.
How much do you like your steak?
A lot.
Show me.
Rotary just told me.
What?
Free ice cream tonight. But I got one thing I want to add to that. Free is a beautiful thing. We had a lot of military people that made it so we live in a free world, right? All right. Give them a beautiful donation over there.